Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, hands-on reviews. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best Squeaky dog toy plush animal available right now. The Best Pet Supplies interactive Squeaky dog chew toy in the bunny design, large size. Let's dive right into it and see what makes this toy a top choice for pet parents and their furry friends. Right out of the box, the toy feels soft, cuddly, and very pet-friendly. This large plush bunny isn't just cute, it's purposefully designed to support your dog's natural instincts to chew, fetch, and play. Whether you have a hyper puppy, an adult dog, or a mellow senior, this toy works wonders across all ages and breeds. Let's talk features. First up, engagement. This isn't just another plush toy. It comes with built-in squeaky and crinkle sounds. And trust me, dogs love it. The crinkled texture in the bunny's body and the squeaker inside provide stimulating feedback every time your dog bites or pounces. That sensory stimulation keeps dogs entertained longer and makes solo play more enjoyable too. The exterior is plush and soft, but there's durable stitching that helps it stand up to some rough and tumble fun, though I'd say it's best for soft to moderate chewers. If you have a super aggressive chewer, you might want to supervise more closely. Inside, there's gentle stuffing that's safe for your dog's mouth and gums, especially helpful for small to medium dogs or those with a gentler bite. Design-wise, this bunny is just adorable. From the floppy ears to the cuddly shape, it's crafted to look like a lovable animal companion, which makes it even more appealing to your pet. And if beige isn't your thing, it comes in multiple color options so you can find one that matches your dog's personality or your home vibe. Beyond just being a toy, this is a fantastic bonding tool. Playing fetch or tug-of-war with your pup using this bunny can help strengthen your relationship. For new puppies, it's a gentle introduction to interactive toys. For senior dogs, it offers comfort and engagement. It's also a solid option for crate training, daily playtime, or as a comforting buddy when your pet is home alone. It's engaging, safe, affordable, and super cute. It's more than a toy, it's a source of joy and comfort for your pet. Whether you're training, bonding, or just spoiling your fur baby a little, this is a toy that deserves a spot in your dog's collection. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if your dog has a favorite toy we should check out next. Until next time, keep those tails wagging.